Okay guys, we got a 2001 Toyota Tacoma with a 2.4 here, and we're replacing the starter. I should have showed you how I took it out. I thought it was going to be a quick and simple one, but if you're looking at this video, you know that it's not. Well, actually it is really quick and simple, but because I found an alternative route. So you take off the two bolts, you take off the two wires here, there's a plug and then there's a wire, and now you can't maneuver it out because the steering is in the way. So what you're gonna do is go right next to the battery here, and you're gonna put the gear up towards you. Don't know if I can do this with one hand, but can I get you to hold this, Shauna? So I'm gonna go straight down right here, and you can see I have the armature down in the down position. And then I'm gonna go straight under the intake, just like this. And then it looks like this is a power steering hose here. And I'm gonna go up under it, straight down. And then when I get to the steering column there, let me move, there's one more hose right here in the way, right there. When I get to the steering column, I'm gonna twist it. I'm turning it counterclockwise, and it fell straight in. So now let's go underneath and I'll show you where that's at. Hold the light over here so we can see a little better. Now you see it sitting there backwards. Now I'm just gonna grab it and rotate it. Well, actually, now you can go through where the tire is right here, right above the steering there. And I'm just gonna rotate it straight around just like that. And that's its home. So now all I have to do is hook up the one plug here, the 14mm nut, and then of course both my bell housing bolts. Those are those two bolts right there. So I just figured this would probably help somebody because clearly you can't get it through here and you can't get it through there. So it has to go up under the intake. I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe. Click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.